So guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be installing our brand new product on the Civic Type R. So this is actually the wing extension piece. There's a couple of variants that we made, but we decided going with this one for now. So it's gonna be the version 1. So as you guys know, the Type R, they actually make another OEM style in carbon fiber. And I believe the gloss black is pretty nice for those that don't want to swap out wing, because I think the OEM wing looks pretty clean already. It's just perfect. It's not too big, not too tall, not too wide. It's just clean, you know? Like imagine, I seen one guy that deleted this whole wing and it looks kind of weird. So I think this is a perfect wing. The big giant wings, they're cool, but I think this is more of an OEM plus. So we decided to go with the OEM plus V1 wing extension. So 3M double-sided tape application, super easy. Clean and prep the surface of your spoiler. And I'm just gonna do like a pre-test fit and then just sit it on top. So with 3M tape, it's gonna hold pretty well as long as you prep it well. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. So what you gotta do is line up the sides on the back, and then it's gonna look something like this. So it gives a little bit more aggressive look to it. Not too crazy, again, more like an OEM plus look, right? And from the back, you can see, Jerry, you wanna show them the back angle? So yeah. Subtle, right? So Jerry, so hold it there. So this is after, and then boom, before. Can you see a big difference? Yeah. So let's go ahead and show you guys how to put this on. I already prepped already, so get some alcohol wipes, clean it up, prep it down. And then it comes pre-double-sided tape already, 3M double-sided. So, you know, if you prep it right, guys, this thing's not gonna fly off. So I like to always peel the corner of the edge a little bit on both sides. If you peel the whole tape off, what happens is that if you stick it on and you miss the line, then you're kind of screwed, okay? So because I've done this twice already, I don't need to tape up the corners to line it up, but I'll just show you guys how to put it on, okay? So I'll peel back. It's critical that this part of the back end will be flush at this edge right here, okay? So let's go ahead, line it up. And the back placement, you can pull back a little bit further, depending what you want. I like to indicate this part right here, this edge where it rounds off, right here. So let's go ahead, peel and apply, guys, like so. Once it's peeled, simply apply. It's better to do this when it's like in warm temperature. It's about like 75 degrees in SoCal right now. So, you know, if you do it cold, the 3M might not stick as well. Once that's done, okay, I'm gonna get some alcohol wipes. All right, guys, that was it. That was the quickest, probably like 30-second install I've done in my life. Anything with 3M tape, like I said, as long as you prep it well, it will not come off. See, look at this. Okay, let me show you guys the reference. And I'm shaking the whole ass car right now. So this is good to go. If you're interested, guys, pre-order is in the link below. You know, we also took off the roof spoiler, the rear window spoiler, so I can show you guys how aggressive this little piece can make. But anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed it. Jerry's gonna give you some beautiful B-rolls. And before I go, let me give you some exhaust clips, because I've guys been emailing or DMing questions about our exhaust system. So if you don't know, this is our F1 catback system, valved. So let me just show you guys. This is valves off, okay? And I'm gonna turn the valves on. You know, if you wanna be a peaceful individual driving through your neighborhood, and then the minute you leave your neighborhood. So I'm gonna give you some revs real quick, just to show you guys the difference. And this is available, we have 2 systems in stock, guys. I think a couple systems in stock. So, Jerry, here, do the honors. All right, guys, next week we'll be officially installing this custom J-pipe that one of our friends made for us. So we're gonna wake up the car twice as loud. It has no cats, so it's gonna smell a little bit, but I'm very excited to see how much louder it's gonna be with our F1 system. But that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to share, like, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next Type R video. Peace.